Hey everyone, welcome back to Words of Wisdom. We're in a full moon right now in February, okay? This is the snow full moon. Transform your energy before spring. It's a moon about endurance, clarity, reflection, all of that in the midst of challenge. It asks us to reflect internally, okay? It's going to shine light on part of ourselves and part of our lives that were hidden or ignored. This moon is deeply connected to purity, clarity, and illumination, but also release. Winter is about clearing what no longer serves you. This full moon is a time to reflect on habits, thoughts, relationships, or situations that have outlived their purpose. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack through snow, okay? Each extra pound slows you down. This moon wants you to identify those extra pounds. And it could be emotional baggage, limiting beliefs, unnecessary obligations. It's time to leave them behind. Even small steps of letting go now will free up enormous energy for the months ahead. Okay? Full moons shine a light on things hidden in shadow. So expect insights, expect realizations, or truths. Truths will surface now, okay? Perhaps there's been a decision you've been avoiding, or a truth about a relationship you haven't faced yet. The snow full moon shines on these areas with a gentle but persistent light. It's going to make it hard for you to ignore what needs your attention. Okay, it's time to see clearly. This is a gentle nudge from nature, from the universe. February is still winter. The energy is slow. It's introspective, okay? The snow full moon encourages nourishment for the body, mind, and soul. Do not overextend. It's okay to slow down. In fact, the energy of this moon demands it. Take long walks, warm baths, quiet reading time. Do whatever it takes to let your body rest and recharge, because your inner work of letting go, reflecting, and realigning, all of that requires energy. If you ignore this need, you can make the process harder than it has to be. Okay? This moon will amplify intuition, spiritual awareness. It's a great time for journaling, meditation, dream work. Pay attention to subtle nudges, okay? Because that's your intuition speaking. So listen closely to those nudges. Fleeting thoughts, a reoccurring dream, or even a random memory might carry more insight than you realize, all right? Think of this moon as a cleanse and reset, letting go of emotional baggage. Ask yourself, what relationships, what fears, or what grudges do I need to release? Sometimes we hold on to resentment. Sometimes we hold on to worry because it feels familiar. The snow full moon reminds us that holding on may feel safe, but it's actually heavy. Use this time to make a conscious choice. Release it. You don't have to fix it. Just let it go. February is still early in the year. This moon helps correct or clarify any priorities. Think about what's working and what isn't. Are there goals you set that no longer resonate? Are you spending energy on things that drain you rather than energize you? Now is the time to recalibrate. Focus on self-care routines, physical health, mental clarity, drink more water, eat wholesome foods, stretch, rest, whatever you need to do. All of this support the emotional and spiritual release that you're doing right now. Okay? Full moons are peak times for completion, clarity, sending intentions out into the universe. Create a ritual to release what no longer serves you. When you do that, you're making room for growth. By letting go, you create space for new energy, new opportunities and insights. Imagine opening your hands and dropping all that clutter. Only then can you receive what the universe has waiting for you. Okay? Do full moon release rituals. Write down what you want to let go of and safely burn it. Bury it. Symbolically, discard it, release it, get rid of it, remove it. You could write down fears about the future, frustrations with the past event, or patterns that repeat in your relationships. Light the paper safely and watch it transform to ash. That ash symbolizes release. Meditate. Moon baths. Sit outside or near a window under the full moon and visualize the light clearing away old energy. Feel the light touch your skin, your aura, your mind, and your heart. Imagine it washing away doubts, fears, or heaviness, leaving nothing behind but clarity and calm. Journal. You will explore things that will arise through journaling. What patterns keep repeating? What truths are surfacing? Sometimes just writing down your thoughts allows hidden truths to emerge naturally. Okay? You might notice a theme or a repeated message from your intuition. Pay attention to those. Cleanse your space. This is huge. Use smudging, crystals, clean your home, your office, car. Clean your space to match your inner release. A cluttered space often mirrors a cluttered mind. As you release emotionally, releasing physically reinforces that energy shift. And most importantly, practice gratitude. Even while releasing and acknowledging what's already working in your life balances the energy. Okay? Gratitude reminds us that release is not about loss. It's about making space for more light, for more growth, more abundance. Full moons can amplify emotions, so you might experience mood swings or restlessness or tension. Okay? Avoid starting brand new projects for now. Focus on completion if you haven't done so already. Focus on clarity. Focus on release, not beginnings. Pay attention to dreams or synchronicities because the snow full moon brings subtle messages. Remember, amplified emotions aren't something to fear. They're signals. They highlight what's important, what's unresolved, and what needs attention. Stay mindful, breathe, and work with the energy rather against it. Think of the snow full moon as a quiet but powerful winter reset. Okay? Its energy is deep, it's cleansing, and it's clarifying. If you focus on release, reflection, and restoration, you'll carry its energy forward with clarity for the rest of the year. Take this time to embrace the stillness, honor your process, and trust what you release now makes way for profound growth. Okay? Just as snow melts to nourish the earth, your efforts in release, reflection, and restoration feed your soul's growth. Let nothing stop you from manifesting, ever. Nothing will get you down because you love yourself too much to allow that to happen. And some of you out there, like myself, I love myself too much to allow that to happen again. If this video inspired you to reflect, release, and realign with your highest self, please don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to Words of Wisdom so you never miss a moment of guidance for your personal growth journey. Okay? Every episode is designed to help you gain clarity, embrace change, and step into your fullest potential. By subscribing, you join a community committed to transformation, inner peace, and self-discovery. And together we can turn insight into action. One full moon, one mindful moment, and one lesson at a time. I love you. Be blessed.